It's a new purchase to the owner. It's got an intermittent wiring fault within the engine, so there's the misfires jumping from bank 1 to bank 2, from cylinder 3 to cylinder 7. Short circuit faults around the ignition coils. So we've pulled the engine out, we're going to inspect the loom. Highly suspecting it is a loom issue, check the coils. So yeah, that's what that's in for. It was also overheating, we changed the thermostats and put racing coolant into it, something new that we're testing at the moment. We'll keep you guys looped on how that goes.
I'm coming in.